If you've been hit by a semi-truck on I-95, your case is not a regular car accident case. The stretch of I-95 running through Miami is one of the deadliest corridors in the country for trucking crashes. And these collisions involve federal regulations, commercial insurance policies, and corporate defense teams that fight hard to pay you as little as possible. Here's what most people don't realize. The moment a semi-truck crashes, the trucking company sends investigators to the scene within hours. They photograph the wreck, interview witnesses, and sometimes the black box data starts getting overwritten. If you wait weeks to hire an attorney, critical evidence is already gone. When you bring me in on a Miami trucking case, I move fast. I send spoliation letters to preserve the truck's electronic logging device, the driver's hours of service records, maintenance files, and dash cam footage. I look at whether the driver violated federal motor carrier safety rules. I look at whether the company forced unrealistic delivery schedules. And I identify every responsible party, because in trucking cases, it's rarely just the driver who's liable. Semi-truck claims are worth significantly more than typical auto cases, but only if they're built correctly from day one. If you or someone you love was hit by an 18-wheeler on I-95, call my office today. The clock is already running.